Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Unboxing Gallery. In this video we will see the tips and tricks of Vivo V21 smartphone. Okay friends, let's go to the video. First go to the settings in your Vivo V21 smartphone. In this the first option is network and internet. Click that. There are more options available regarding network. You can insert the SIM card and the SIM card name will be appear here. And then Bluetooth connections. If you want to connect Bluetooth, you can enable it. And then lock display and brightness. In this you can adjust the brightness level or choose adaptive brightness. If you choose the eye protection, eyes will be protected. Next, dark theme options available. If you enable it, you can see the theme like black and white. In that you can select the sunset to sunrise, or you can turn on the custom time from time to end time, start time to end time. You can adjust it. If you turns on the custom time, the screen will be automatically on and end on that time. Okay, next the screen timed out. You can choose the screen timeout time 15 seconds or 30 or 1 minute or 2 minutes. After 30 seconds of inactivity, the screen will be off. Next, the auto rotate screen. You can enable it. If you enable this option, the screen will be automatically rotated. Next, screen colors. You can adjust the screen color temperature. Next, font size change. You can set default or large or largest, or you can set the small. Now I set default. Next, choose font style. Click agreement and agree. There are more font styles available. You can download more options from download more. Now I set default or classic fonts. Now font style applied. You can see the changes. Next, status bar. Display the real-time network speed. If you insert the SIM card, you can see the real-time network speed in top corner, and you can see the battery percentage also. You can choose the screen saver and also screen refresh rates 60 Hz or 90 Hz. Whatever your wish, you can select the refresh rate. Top area display. You can select which app you want. Next option is Scope, screen and wallpaper. In that you can change the themes of Vivo V21 smartphone. Now you can see the changes of themes. Next, you can change the wallpaper of Vivo V21 smartphone. You can choose in it. Set as both applied successfully, wallpaper successfully changed. Also, you can choose the download more option to download more. Lock screen settings, you can change the lock screen poster wallpaper or lock screen style. In that you can also download more. Okay, next home settings. In that you can change the desktop icon size, small, normal, larger, and also you can see the more options in home settings. Next option is dynamic effects. In that ambient light effect changes always on display, on screen display. You can choose whatever you want. Next, unlock screen effect. You can select it and apply. You can see the changes like this. Wow, the screen will be changed very nicely. Next, fingerprint icon animation. You can change the fingerprint icon animation here and apply it. Next, fingerprint recognition animation, also you can change it, change and apply it. Facial recognition animation, also you can change from here. There are more facial recognition animation available. Next, charging animation. If you charge it, it will look like that. USB inserted animation. If you insert any USB, it will be look like here. Screen on off animation. That's also very nice tips in Vivo V21 smartphone. Next, we will go to the another options. Choose sounds. In these sounds, you can adjust the media volume or ringtone volume or notification volume or alarm volume. Use volume buttons to adjust media. You can select and vibrate for call options are also here. Never vibrate, always vibrate. Vibrate first, then shrink gradually. You can select whatever you want. Next, notification vibration, do not disturb mode. If you sleep, you can select the do not disturb mode, and also you can set the custom ringtone for that. You can customize the ringtone for message, notification, alarm from the sound options. Now I click notification ringtone, and then you can change the alarm ringtone or custom ringtone. Other sounds and vibration options, dial per tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration. If you want to off it, you can off in this option. Next, apps and notification. In that, more options available. App clone is here. You can set the dual apps by clicking the app clone. Okay, now I enable Facebook app. You can see that two Facebook apps page. You can see it's in red color. Next, the security option is here. You can set the security of screen lock or fingerprint or face in it. You can set the fingerprint plus pin, fingerprint plus password, or you can set the face password. Under the security option, you can select the privacy of your Vivo V21 smartphone. Next, you can select shortcuts and accessibility. In that, there are more options available. First is capture option. In that, slide down with 3 fingers to take screenshot option is enabled. Now I slide down, so screenshot is captured now, and you can use your 3 fingers up and you can see the split screen. You can use the 2 apps at a time. Next, record sound option is here. If you click the record sound, you can change the system audio, microphone audio in that. Next, the smart split option available. Easy touch option available here. If you click the easy touch, you can change the easy touch options more here. You can change the personalized skins for easy touch, and you can customize the menu of easy touch. Next, flash notification. If the incoming calls will come, if it's on, the flashlight notifications on. Next, the task timer. In it, you can schedule the power off or on, and you can select the scheduled airplane mode. Next, one-hander mode. In that you can use your phone in one hand. You can see it how I use. Wow, one-handed mode is now available. You can use your phone in one-handed. Now doing the same method, one-handed mode will be disabled. Next, the accessibility menu. In that you can see an icon like lower corner. You can see that if I enable the accessibility menu, you choose allow and got it. Now you can see the accessibility menu like a man. I off it. Next, I choose the system option. Under the system option, there are more options available. First, the system navigation. You can change the system navigation buttons in it. 3-button navigation and gesture navigation. If you click the settings icon, you can see the more options of icon patterns and order of navigation keys. You can see the changes in the navigation buttons. If you enable hide bottom bar, the bottom bar will be disabled now. Next, under system language and input options available. In that you can change the system language. Under the language option, you can add a language, or you can change the keyboard settings in it. You can change the keyboard settings. Click on that. There are more options available. Theme, text corrections. Okay. In about phone option, you can see the processor 2.4 GHz octa-core and RAM 8GB plus 3 phone storage 128GB Android version 11. Read on the top bar and you can see a capture option. In that you can record the screen and take long screenshot. Next, you can access the settings in it. Next, you can edit that icon. Click the edit button. Click and drag into the top. What icon you use frequently, you can click and drag it on top so you can use easily. Okay friends, I hope you learned the Vivo V21 tips and tricks. Buy this as a new phone. You can use it easily by seeing this video. If you want to see this type of technical videos, please subscribe and like our video. Okay friends, bye bye.